Peace, peace, peace. What's going on? It's day 30. We finally made it here. This is it's a big milestone for the channel. You know what I'm saying? We up 75 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And we're gonna keep going, man, to day infinity. You know what I'm saying? But every 30 days I'm gonna check in. You know what I'm saying? Mark this milestone. You know what I'm saying? It's a big deal. We've been consistent so far, but we got so much further to go. You know what I'm saying? This 1,000-mile journey, we 30 steps in. So, you know, let's just keep putting one foot in front of the other. Today is gonna be a deadlift day. We're gonna do some deadlift for 100 reps. I'm gonna do the sandbag. After my deadlifts, I'm gonna mess around with the sandbag a little bit. Probably do 10, I probably throw it over my shoulder, each shoulder about 10 times, you know? And I'm gonna do my ab straps, and we're gonna call that a day today. You know what I'm saying? I just started a new job today, about a 12-hour shift today, and gotta be up at, I gotta be to work by 3 a.m., you know what I'm saying? So I gotta be up at 2 a.m. So, you know, we're just doing the best we can with what we got. So let's get on it, let's go. Oh, today I'm gonna do the opposite. So we had 225. I'm gonna do 4 sets of 10 with 225. And then I'm gonna take one of them plates off, bring it down to 135, and I do the rest of the 60 reps with that. So we a little opposite today. I usually start light, then go heavy. Today I'm heavy, light. Let's get it. Back up, back up, back up. Right, yeah, right, yeah. Hit. Erica. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! I don't do. Tell her, give you some space. Hey, give me some space, Remy. Back up, Remy. That's a good one, that's a good one. 1 down. Or 10 down, 90 to go. At this weight, 30 to go. Stay back up, Remy. You see that beast back there, that 100-pound sandbag? We're gonna refamiliarize ourselves with that guy. It's been a while since I picked her up. All right, let's get on. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! 20 more. More, baby. 830, man, that's a big deal. I'm really excited about that. And 75 subscribers, man. I'm really excited about that. That's crazy to me. Whew. Ah. Ten. Woo! Last set of 10. I can take them bad 45s off. Here we go. Here we go, son. Here we go. Here we go. Let me see you make a muscle. Yeah. Yeah. That's right, son. You see it? Yeah. Yep. Let's go. See mama? Back up. Get your stink breath out of my face. One, two, three, four, five, six, 10. Ish. Woo! That's 40. Let's take this weight off, goddammit. Remy, you back up. Whew. God bless these clamps. I'm not sponsored by this company. One day I will be. But right here, the force-free clamps from Amazon. Make sure you grab those. These is the truth right here. This part 2, I lost my storage or whatever. My storage was tripping. I had to delete some stuff. So now I did the first 40 with 225. Now it's time for 60 at 135. Then I got the ab straps and I got the sandbag. So let's get on it. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. All right. That's 20. We got 40 left. Yep. Yeah. That was light duty. 2 more sets of 20. Let's get right on it. Remy, you want a set? Get back, get back, get back. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, that was good. One more set of 10. I mean, it's one more set of 20. Whew. It's a good one, man. It's good. I'm earning my sleep and I'm earning my dinner. We done already came so far for me to slow down just because I'm working different hours and stuff. And we gonna still get to it. I'm gonna break this down into 2 sets of 10. Nice. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 90. One more set of 10. What'd you find, Elliot? Hey, stop looking, Remy, stop. I don't want your breath in their face. All right, it's for the glory. Yes, sir. Woo! All right. About to lift up Big Bertha. All right. Ten to the right shoulder, 10 to the left shoulder. One. One. Two. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, Ellie. Two. Three. Three. Four. Almost halfway there. Five. Ha! 6. 6. Four more. One. Three more. Hey, stop, Remy, stop it. 3 more. Remy, stop! Get out of here, son. Ah! One. Two more. One. One. One more. You want to go in the house, man? One. It's good money. Did the best I could with with my little distractions back here. I love my distractions though. All right. Let's do these ab raises. Do 1 set. And that's that. Dinner time. Ish. Two more sets of 10. This is good. This was good. Got one more set. Give myself 20 seconds. I'm gonna bang that out. Bless you. Bless you. Let's go. Ish. Ish. Ah. 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 All right, it's a wrap for the day. Till next time, peace and blessings. Build yourself, destroy your excuses, rebuild your life. Peace, peace, peace. Till next time.